To see a trick about how to split a column data in Power BI. If you're puzzled what it means by that, let's jump into a demo and see it in action. Before heading to Power BI, I just want to explain the data, what it is. So you see here, we need to have a split of each column based on certain conditions. First of all, in customer name, I don't want the title, I need only the name. In case of customer ID, there is IND, SIR, SRI. It's like a country code followed by some ID number. I don't want the country code. I want only the number. And in third column, landline, which contains a country code followed by a state code and number. In some cases, we don't find those state STD code. So how to split? I need this number, okay? And in final case, that's our ID proof, which contains different ID proofs and followed by the ID proof number. I need only those numbers. So like this, we have a lot of scenarios in our data. So I have taken this simple example to understand how to split the data in Power BI. Let's see it in action. I have imported this data, and for the people, those who don't know how to promote this column, this is the first column and I want to promote it as header. Just click on that option. That will give me my name, header name. Now, first example. So the logic is if I found a dot, okay, I need to split. For that, click on this by delimiter. This is one of the delimiter we are identified. Then we will go by that. Power BI automatically detected. We'll go by that default option. Each occurrence means if you have multiple dots in between here, that will split another column. But in our case, it is only one dot, so we'll have only two columns here. There you go. We got our desired output. And you find some small space there. After dot, you have a space, then name. So that space also appearing here. To remove that, click on this and go to transform and format and trim. So your space is removed. That is our first example. Heading to our second example, here somewhat tricky. Like after we found like first three characters, we need to remove these first three characters and keep other characters. For that, click that one and go to split columns, and you have a number of characters. Okay, click on that. So you need to choose once as far left as possible. You keep three. So first three characters will be left out and it will be split. There you go. So it changed the data type to integer. If you don't want, then click on close this one. I mean, you can delete the step. So it will become text. So now we got our second output. I will say it as customer ID, and we can delete this column. I will take it later. Okay. Now coming back to our third example. In this case, we need the rightmost. Okay. For that, we need to find the rightmost space. Okay. So click on that column, split column, and by delimiter, you say like space. Okay. Space. Then you say like rightmost delimiter. Okay. There you go. You got your desired output. Again, you close this change type because if it is number, it will take that one. So your number is split into, I mean, you get the final number, whatever you want, the landline numbers. The fourth example is a little tricky. Like you have a Aadhaar card here and you have number and there will be some symbols. Here there is no specific format you can do it. So basically what you need is like you want the number out of the entire column. Okay, that is the end objective. So Power BI provides that option. Click on this column, then go to split column, then by non-digit to digit. Okay, just press this one. You see the magic. There you go. So you got all the numbers excluding all the options. I hope it was clear, guys. To summarize the final part, so you see, this is the very tricky part. The Aadhaar card hyphen, you don't find any proper delimiter to split, but you find like you need to take away the numbers from this text. So that is what it did. Exactly. Okay. I hope this video is useful to you. To save your time, watch my tips and tricks videos by subscribing into my channel. Do remember that data is your asset.